In the meantime, PNP President Dr. Peter Phillips says the party remains strong despite its loss in the April 4 by-election. While taking a swipe at the JLP, Dr. Phillips says the party's candidate had factors working against him, such as time and money.
They have done some things, and we know. But we not complain, we are plan and we are work. Because next time it won't go so. We'll go through the list, find out who is real and who is fiction. Where the laws are broken, we are carried to the right authorities. And if them not work on it, we will know what to do.
He also bashed pollsters for their predictions.
Some say 10, some say 6, some say it climbing every day, and when you look at the result, you realize that it was just propaganda, pure, simple propaganda directed against the People's National Party and the candidate.
At the end of the final count of ballots in the Port and Eastern by-election, Anne-Marie Vaz received 9,989 votes and Damian Crawford 9,670.